I'm here in Amlan to promote my own town. Yes, my own actually barangay. We are in Rock Mountain Resort. This has been operating for, I guess, over a decade now. I'm not so sure. I'm checking out the place because I'm planning to celebrate Duke's birthday here. It's so quiet and nice. Pool is nice. I plan to have a pool party for him. Most of his friends is from Amlan. I mean, he really loves his friends over here. So let's check out the place, and this will be like a tour today. We'll tour the place if okay ba? Siyempre, I guess. So, parang naplanado ko na eh. Hindi ko pa nga na-check. Out the bath. Wow. Super clean. I love this. Yeah. Clean. Shower. It's nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Look at that. We can camp here. Could be a great place to camp, I guess. I hope they're gonna make this a campsite. But I mean, like that's the uso ngayon, right? Oh, you see that? Those, yan, I used to roam around those places when I was a kid. What you doing, Talia? Oh, there's a mermaid, guys. There's a mermaid. Wow. Oh. Oh, what do you think, guys? Not bad, right? Yeah. Dito na tayo mag-celebrate. And the cottage is big. Pwede. Let's organize a some kiddie pool party for Duke. Most of his friends are from around here, so that's why I'd like to pick the place as for his birthday. Simple lang, good, like fried chicken, spaghetti, ice cream, ganun lang. Yeah, ice cream and what else? No, I mean for Duke's birthday. Cupcakes, lots of cupcakes, I guess. And more games. More games. Wala na, guys. This vlog is about me being yaya for a day to this little girl.